this video, I'll show you how you can install WinRar on your PC. Now this is super simple guys, so let's get straight into it. First you want to open up a tab, and from in here you're going to search for WinRar, just like this. And the first one will be a WinRar download free and support. Simply press on this link right here and you'll come to the official page. Now on here you're going to press download. You don't need to buy it, even though it says you need to buy it. Just press the download button, download again, and then let it wait for a little bit until your download pops up here. Now it should be around 5 seconds or something. If it doesn't pop up, you can simply click on this button. So I will do that. And as you can see, it's now downloading. Now once this is done downloading, you're going to open up, press run, yes, and let's install it. From in here you can select which one of these you want to have with, but for me I just like to leave it as it is because it works perfect like this. You're going to press OK and done. Now when this is installed, as you can see here on my desktop, I have a folder right here, and what I can do is I can right click on it and you can see I have the WinRar right here. Now with open, I can open it like this, or as you can see here, I can do these. I can add to archive, add to a RAR file. That's basically what you can do with the WinRar. You can also make a WinRar folder that you can put things into if you want to upload it to a Google Drive or anything. And it's really simple. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.